DreamGlow is one of the many plugins included in NewBlue FX's Filters 5 Ultimate Collection. It is a simple yet effective plugin for adding a dreamlike haze to your footage. To add DreamGlow to your project, drag it from the Video Effects NewBlue Filters folder onto your desired clip. First, raise the glow setting until you're happy with how it looks. In this case, we're going to raise it high enough to completely wash out the sky, giving this footage a more ethereal look. Next, select the color you want for the effect. A light blue offers a lot of contrast with the yellow field and the expectations of yellow sunlight, so it's a great choice for representing the opposite of reality, or in this case, a dream. And finally, dreams usually don't appear in crystal clear high definition, so the blur slider spreads our blue glow over a greater area. It doesn't take long to apply DreamGlow to your entire sequence, and when you're done, you'll have created the perfect look in a matter of minutes. DreamGlow is just one of the many plugins included in the Filters 5 Ultimate Collection. With over 25 versatile coloring tools and hundreds of preset looks, Filters 5 Ultimate makes it easy to improve the quality of your footage. To learn more, visit newbluefx.com/filters today.